Right guys, here it is, the toolbox tour, and what we're in August 2024 now. So here it is. I've not really done out for it. I try and keep it as organised as I can. So let's get to it. Top drawer. I'm well proud of my top drawer, you know. It's all about the top drawer. It's like the showcase. So I've got all weird and wonderful sockets here. They're not all snap-on, by the way, guys. I have all sorts of stuff. I don't even know what that is, but I've ground it down for a hub nut on a Polo and Fabian. So I've made it thin walled. You got to do what you got to do, haven't you? I've got the wobble sockets. They're US Pro lock. I've got the snap-on version 3/8, they're 1/2 inch. Snap-on 3/8 impacts, long, snap-on 3/8 shorts. I've got the 10mm sockets. Everyone needs a rail of 10mm, right? They're all in different kinds of 10mm. And I've got the same as the 13 variety as well. So all different 13s, all different 10s. I've got the FDX sockets. These are fucking great, these are, for rounded nuts. I've got these Draper ones. I've got my Draper sockets as well, great, good. Yep, Draper Expert, really good set. I've got Torque set, that's snap on. I've got a little bit set. These are like half height. Fucking ace they are. I've got the E-Torques. They're just some cheap chrome vanadium things, but they work. It doesn't matter, they work. Oil socket, oil filter socket tool. Again, this is cheapy. Don't even know what these are. Oh, there you go. Casaman. Some odds and sods. So you've got your things like your alternator pulley socket. That's great. It's a 31 tooth socket, I believe. Hub spreaders, long and short. Splines, that's a cheap set off Amazon, but they're ace them. So you've got the extension and the bits, everything pretty much. These are shit. These are Astor tools, and they're terrible. So don't bother buying them, because as soon as you go to use them, that happens, and they shit themselves. So yeah, no good. Spline, these are really good for Volkswagen diesel crank pulley bolts. There's 4 of them. Really good stuff for that. And these are, again, only cheap chrome vanadium things. Picks, snap on. This little pass-through set's really good for handbrake cables, that kind of thing, on Polos, Fabias, that kind of thing. Some cheap quarters, again, cheap quarter longs. Some fucking weird and wonderful hex sockets. These are actually Imperial, so I've had to kind of put the maths on it somewhere over there. Ball-ended hex, so ball-ended Allen keys, cheap ones. Longer splines, again, cheap ones. I've got some long Torques. These are snap-on, these. This Blue Point easy out set for Torque spits. It's fucking shit. Don't bother wasting your time on that. Some easy outs, some proper easy outs. These are Irwins. Lumber sockets, cheap ones. Some oil plug sockets. Everyone needs one of these that aren't a pry bar and chisel, but they fucking are, aren't we? We know that. Look, see, that's a pry bar chisel. I'm surprised it doesn't say don't use it as a pry bar or a chisel, but. Wobble head extensions, lots of ratchets. I've got my bit ratchets, I've got a quarter tiny ratchet, and I've got a quarter longer, 3/8, 1/2 inch, and then this wee beastie, this is a 3/8. This is a really good one. I've just got this, to be fair. So it's long, it's got a lockable flexi head, and it's obviously a ratchet as well. Bloody good that is. Use that loads. So let's nip into a second drawer so you guys can see what's going on. I'm just giving you ideas, guys, on what to buy, what not to buy, what works, what doesn't. So we've got snap-on short torque sockets there, snap-on long torque sockets there, snap-on screwdriver set, and the little ratcheting driver. That's all right, that is. This set is for hoses. You know, when you can't get a hose off, you just got to be careful because they are a little bit sharp then. Torque wrenches, these are 10 tools, both 1/2 inch and 3/8. Long Nielsen tools are very good. These are the long, really long torque drivers, bloody good them. I've got my sacrifice screwdriver that I don't mind twatting with an hammer. That is an actual sacrifice screwdriver with the drive through on it. Little bar, some extensions, some long bits. They're good. Allen keys, you always need them for things like Haldex. These are pretty cool. These are for wing mirror glasses. So you put them on the wing mirror, normally get about 2 on it, and they suck on it, and then you just pull them off. Stops you smashing the glass. Scalpel, great for trimming back wiring, and the loom tape, that's all over them. Spanners, so I've got the snap-on. No, these are Blue Point actually, snap-on. Blue Point flexi head longs, and I've got the Nielsen chrome vanadium. These are the fixed head aviation spanners, bloody good, use them all the time for wheel alignments. Short spanners, you never know when you've got short spanners. These are just cheap ones, don't even know what brand they are. Blue Point, I've had these since I was an apprentice. Apart from that one I've replaced it because everyone loses 10mm. Spanners, again, these are just the normal box end. Then I've got the thin ones. These are Ulster tools. These, look how thin they are, ridiculous. Ulster tools, brilliant. some of my battery stuff. So I've got the 3/8 impact, like ratchet thing. That's shit. Don't bother with that. 3/8, sorry, long, little one. That's the fast one as well. Really good. 3/8 impact gun. Really good. That 1/2 inch impact gun, all Milwaukee. These are my DeWalt's and my bit driver that just doesn't die. It won't die. I've had it years. Just will not die. Same with the drill. Will not die, which can't be a bad thing. I've got my long bar tucked away back there for something shit that really needs hurting. Grips and stuff. So I'm trying to organise things as best I can, but you just run out of room, don't you? What else have we got? Odds and sods. So we've got nuts and bolts, the odd bulb or two just to test things. There, brake pipe. They sit on the end of the brake pipe, so there's pissing fluid everywhere. Pipe bending tool, brake pipe bending tool, really good that. I used it last time I did them on a Polo. Odds and sods, oil filter tools, oil filter cap. This is to remove wiper blades. That was a cheap eBay buy, but it's got me out of the shit loads, as you can see. I've had some particularly tight ones. What else have we got? Electrical drawer. I've got a little bit of a launch scan tool there. That's quite good, but I've got lots of odds and sods in there, nothing crazy. Timing tools for the diesel. So that's a 2 litre 1.6 newer one. Timing tool for the TSI. These are good. These are caliper spreaders for your 2-pot, 4-pot, 6-pots. Rivet gun, rivet tool. Hammers, wind back kit for brakes. No, it really goes on in the bottom. That's just a load of shit, to be fair. Long 1/2 inch snap-on bar, and then I've got the 1/2 inch breaker bar. That's a cheap eBay job. Some more tap, effectively. Some more little bits in there. But the top drawer is where we're at. I love this. I love this. There's an overview of it. Just wanted to point this out, really, guys, that it's not all snap-on. Yes, I have got snap-on stuff because it's the only rep that comes here that I get on with. So it's not all snap-on. I just have what works. But if there's anything you want to know, guys, anything you want to hear, see, watch it working, drop it down in the comments. So this is going to wrap up the August 2024 ToolBox tour. So thanks for coming along, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. If you could like and share, that'd be absolutely amazing. But big love till next time, guys. See you very, very soon.